Hello everybody, this is Dr. Teresa Veach, and I wanted to make a very brief introductory video for you about psychology, about the different areas of psychology, especially with regard to either being a practitioner and actually practicing psychology or being a researcher and conducting research in psychology. First, let's get started with the major areas of mental health services. One, there is psychiatry, and to be a psychiatrist and to prescribe medications, psychotropic medications, which are antidepressants, anti-anxiety medications, and things for psychoses such as schizophrenia, you have to have a medical degree to go into psychiatry. In order to practice as a licensed psychologist, not only would you need a PhD in psychology, but you would also need a health service provider in psychology license in order to practice as a licensed psychologist. You can also stop with your master's degree and then get a license as a licensed mental health counselor. You could also go into marriage and family therapy with your master's degree. You would need a license in marriage and family therapy. So whether it's at the MD, PhD, or master's degree level, you would always need a license in order to practice counseling services. Now let's say that you do want to go into the actual practice of psychology. You could go into neuropsychology, you could be a health psychologist, you could go into abnormal behavior, or you could be an IO or industrial organizational psychologist. Now let's say that you would rather teach and conduct research. The psychologist at the professor researcher level can go into cognitive psychology, educational psychology, developmental, and even social psychology. Typically, these researchers hold PhDs and work at university settings. To bring this full circle, a psychologist operates under a scientific practitioner model, and this means that research should drive what is being done in the counseling session and vice versa. So during this class, we're going to learn at least a bit about the science and the practice of psychology.